What are we fixing to do?
Oh no.
Ed, what are you fixing to do?
Shave my beard.
Okay, how long have you been growing your beard?
Since the week before Halloween.
Okay, let's look at it.
That's it.
Approximately 3 inches to 4 inches long.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna try some different things.
Mommy, can I hold it? Please.
No, Caitlin.
Been bogging down, ain't it?
Look, beard!
Redbeard, Captain Redbeard.
Captain Redbeard! Captain Redbeard! Captain Redbeard is sitting on him! Captain Redbeard! Captain Redbeard!
Hey.
You're getting dirty!
That just looks creepy.
Silly.
You ain't even thinking about keeping that, are you?
Captain Redbeard, look down.
Man.
Captain Redbeard, look down. Caitlin, you're getting that all over you. Quit.
Look down.
Get over here, baby. Wind blowing that stuff on you.
Quit.
Nasty.
Look down.
Quit, Caitlin. Please don't throw that up. Quit. Go ahead and get this.
I'll leave that on there. I'll leave a little bit. It's like planting a seed.
Yeah, that's how we agreed. No pork chops ever.
That's not a pork chop.
You feel naked?
Feel different. How's it look?
Those are Redbeard. Look down, guy.
That's it.